What is going on, guys? Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's episode I've got yet another FPV video with the GoPro Hero 3 Plus recording on the Schizo Nova. So let's go ahead and get this thing on up in the air. Alright, so first things first, I do want to talk about the FC board. I went ahead and just freshly flashed Betaflight 4.2 on the Brain FPV Radix board. So we are running default PIDs, meaning that it's a little bit bobbly and a little bit less smooth, of course, all around, but it is very predictable to fly, and that's a good baseline that Betaflight always gives you. But I have not tuned this one on the fresh firmware upgrade, so bear with me on that. That's why it's not as smooth as it could be. But yeah, I am pushing this thing rather hard for what it is. I'm just trying to feel how this quad flies with the new firmware. However, unfortunately, this flight's not going to last much longer, and you'll see what I mean here in a second. Kind of hairy through this there, but yeah, right into the tree. I kind of carry my momentum through that flip there, and it gets nice and silent. You can start to hear the crickets there if you listen closely. And we're up in the tree pretty much all the way at the top, probably a good 35 or 40 feet up in the air. But yeah, we're going to start off, of course, as you can hear, we've got the beeper. That's the best way to locate a quad. I never go straight to turtle mode or anything like that when I don't know the quad's orientation. It's always good to find it in the tree before you try anything. But now I can see it, and we start off just by arming it in turtle mode. And you can see the motors are kind of throwing a fit there. They're kind of lodged up against the branches, so don't keep the motors armed, because that's how you burn out motors and ESCs. You can see I found my one lodged motor, and I went ahead and used the crash flip mode to go ahead and find it in that way. So the one loose motor is the one that I'm spinning, and it's kind of twisting it around, but that's kind of where it rests. I went ahead and got an extension pole just to go ahead and get this thing out of the tree. And we got about a 32-foot pool skimmer. You can see pushing it right up just like that. I don't think we got it out of the tree, if I recall correctly, with this thing, but it did move it around so that I could arm it, and we had some props free to get it out of the tree. So right here, you can see we're able to get it out successfully just like that, and there was no harm done to the quad, except for, as you might expect, the props are pretty banged up after kind of pushing into those branches here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that flight. I went ahead and another fresh battery in here, same exact beat up props. They're pretty dinged up and cut on a few of them. However, one thing that this Schizo Nova excels at is the fact that it is just so good at flying smoothly with very beat up props on it. So can't complain there, but this is going to be yet another short flight because I am pushing it pretty hard, especially on this turn right here. So yeah, right through here, it kind of swung it a little bit wide, got cut up in that brush, and went ahead and disarmed just to save the quad. So that is going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer any of your inquiries about FPV or RC in general. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.